It is no secret that our nation's workforce is aging out, while the skills gap is growing wider. An apprenticeship program will get you prepared for the next generation of skilled tradesmen.
Having these programs in place just allows us to continue to grow and continue to be able to staff those difficult to hire for positions.
So the purpose of an apprenticeship program is to basically get on-the-job training provided to employees so that they are brought up to speed quickly, have all the skills to succeed, and help the business succeed.
For every 3 tradesmen who retire, there's only 1 trained person to fill their work boots.
Our strategy depends on what talent we have in order to deliver the products that we promote and manufacture. So ensuring that we have the right skill set in the right places helps us plan that strategy and make sure that we have a business for years to come.
Invest in your business now. Working Solutions, an American Job Center.